Welcome again, this is Military Guna TV, and I am so happy that you guys are here. Thank you very much for subscribing, and I want to give a big thank you to all those who are consistently tuning into the program and enjoying the show. Believe me, I really do appreciate the work that you guys are putting in. That is the reason why I'm going all out to ensure that you guys get good and quality content. Now, my first upgrade is I get a proper mic, one ear, lapel. But anyways, I'll be moving into a studio light mode quite soon, hopefully. Anyways, because I have to invest, I have to put in the work, because you guys are tuning in. I have to provide you guys with better quality content, better and quality content over the time period. If you guys are continue being here, and this is to keep you guys here to ensure that you guys are tuning into whatever I'm producing. Anyways, thank you very much for dropping a like and subscribing. Please turn on notification bell to ensure that you guys are always the first to get whatever I'm producing. Anyways, because I have some parody, whatever, coming out anytime soon. Give you guys a laugh behind the scenes when I'm creating a video. All the stress that I have been through and have to go through. But anyways, look at this. Now, we've gotten a massive hit. Dominik, Szoboszlai, and whoever can pronounce that name properly, please put it in the comment and break it down into syllables, because it is quite hard to pronounce. But anyways, Dominik Szoboszlai liked a picture of us. I'm saying us like I played for Arsenal Football Club, the team. So I think it's BR, one of those media outlets, sports media outlets, put up a picture with Arsenal versus Rapid Vienna, and winning Rapid Vienna 4-1. And he put out the picture. They put out the picture, and it was like by Dominik Szoboszlai. Now it is quite evident that we know for a fact that he came out openly and spoken that he wanted to leave in this January transfer window. Now this is a massive opportunity for Arsenal Football Club to go and grab him, to go and catch him and have him for themselves, because we know that he wants to leave. He wants to make the next step. And the next step would be Arsenal. We know that Salzburg is not that big name club like Arsenal, also with financial standings, and everyone at this point in time in their footballing career are looking for the financial standings and also a massive status. When you play for such a club like Arsenal, you have a high regard and a high ratings on your shoulder. Now, we know that his agent came out as well and said that he's on the move for this January transfer window. And news came out earlier regarding to Dominik Szoboszlai that he will be moving in January. So that is, news are coming out from all different angles stating that he's definitely going to move this January. But guess what? Where? Now, we have heard news now again. It's constant news over and over that the Arsenal board has already held talks with Dominik Szoboszlai in regards that they want to cover this player and take this player portfolio and see how best we can invest in him and move him into the team. Now, it would be a surprise for Stan Kroenke to spend the money in this January. And saying that, I would believe that it will not be such an easy task for Stan Kroenke, because we know that his pocket is so small and he does not like to spend. He does not like to spend, especially on the club, on Arsenal Football Club. But I do believe that this is the time in which he should take out those pockets. Even the paperclip that he has in his pocket, he should donate it to Arsenal Football Club, because at this point in time, we'll do with anything that he has to give, because we know that we need help, and the club need help, the players need help, especially in that midfield area where we're suffering in regards to goal and quality. Now, those are two things that Dominik Szoboszlai has: goal and quality. Young, agile, and he can get the job done. Now, when Dominik Szoboszlai came out and liked a photo of Arsenal football team openly on social media to allow the entire world to see, is that an hint to say that the deal is already confirmed, or the deal is about to be finished and completed? What else can I say? But that is a massive hint to show that there is something bubbling and boiling behind the scenes. Now, what came out a bit earlier is that Arsenal also wanted Buendia. He's a good player, but I do believe that Szoboszlai might be a notch above Buendia. Buendia is a good player, but Szoboszlai is a notch above him in regards to quality as well. So I would definitely go with Szoboszlai, and I think this is a confirmation that Arsenal are interested in Szoboszlai, and there's strong possibility that he might move to Arsenal Football Club coming this January. And I want you guys to stay tuned, because whenever these news drop, I'll definitely tune into it. Oh, and there's another player that I think that Arsenal are interested in, is Edouard from Celtic. He's a type of player that Arsenal would love to have in their club. Now we see where we want Aubameyang to play up front, but guess what? That is exactly where Edouard plays. So it's a case in which we're going to push Aubameyang back on the wing again. So I'm not so sure if that deal might be completed. But for now, I do believe that Szoboszlai is the type of player that we need, and he's the type of player that is showing interest in the club, and I do believe that we might get this one over the line. Fingers crossed. We might get this one over the line. So at this point in time, I want to say thank you very much again for tuning in. Please, before you go, drop a like and subscribe. Share the content, let someone else know. There's many people out there who want to hear good content like these, and they don't have the opportunity to do, because they're just watching all these negative influencers and people who are just trying to tickle on their mind. But anyways, I am here, give you content live, straight and direct whenever it's happening. So thank you very much for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, and this is the Military Guna TV.